Hello guys, welcome back to RegisterKaro. Today I'll walk you through how to start a real estate business step by step. From picking your niche to securing fundings and overcoming challenges. So let's get started. So first comes why real estate. Real estate market to reach $332 billion by 2025, nearly $986 billion by 2030. Residential leads with 79% of share, driven by urbanization and a growing middle class. Real estate is about helping people find homes, advising investors, and building communities. Now, the first step, define your business model and niche. Choose the right focus. Shapes your services, capital needs, and growth path. You can go for brokerage, specialized services, development, or prop tech. Now, the legal setup and compliance. Get your foundation right. Registration, licensing, and RERA compliance keep you legal and trusted. Business structure like proprietorship, partnership, LLP or private limited company. Registrations like company registration, trade license and RERA registry. Insurance for professional indemnity and general liability. Tax and finance, GST for brokerage fees, business bank account and accounting system. Now comes the service portfolio and pricing. Craft a mix of core and value-added services to boost revenue and customer loyalty. Now, core includes property evaluation, market reports, buyer and seller matchmaking, and transaction support. Value-added includes legal verification, home loan assistance, staging and interior advice, and property management. Commission percentage on sales or rentals, plus fixed fees for advisory services. Now comes the marketing and lead generation. Your success depends on reaching the right audience and staying top of mind. So, digital marketing includes SEO optimized listings, social media ads, and email campaigns. Offline marketing includes property expos, local print ads, networking with builders and brokers, and referral programs. Thought leadership includes market reports, investor webinars, and first-time buyer workshops. Now comes operations and client experience. Efficient processes and excellent services turn clients into lifelong partners. For client onboarding, standardized checklists, clear timelines, and regular updates. For tech tools, CRM for leads, virtual tour software, and secure documentation platforms. For quality control, final walkthroughs, handover protocols, and post-sale follow-ups. Whether you are starting small or tackling big developments, funding is the key. There is a brief information for funding on your screens. Now comes the advantages and challenges. It offers high earnings and stability, but be ready for market cycles and complex regulations. Its advantages are high commission, recurring revenue, network growth, and resilience in downturns. And its challenges are legal complexities, price fluctuations, intense competition, cash flow spikes, and inventory risk for developers. That's your roadmap to launching a real estate business in India. For detailed templates, legal checklists, and expert support, click the link below or visit registerkaro.in today. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.